walked into the pub, it's that bloody packed. Line up for food, line up for drinks. I think, well, such a nice day, I might just go for a bit more of a ride and find a little country pub somewhere, an eatery or something like that, and slowly work my way home. But I might take a different route, or route, whichever you want to say it. And yeah, so let's see what we find today.
Songs in my head just to drive away the demon, to push aside any negative feelings. Can't even say what I dream. Yeah, sometimes all I hear is that clock ticking. I close my eyes and I find myself slipping. Back tearing pages out this notebook, ripping up no shreds cause ain't no see what I mean. Yeah. And then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all them good times and instead I
Oh, well, I started off riding with a group, and yeah, that was good. Straight down to Pinjarra, but yeah, they got down there and didn't really want to just sit around in a pub and drink beer and bloody have a feed. Wasn't hungry at the time, so I carried on. I just broke from the pack and went lone wolf. Yeah, ended up in Boddington. Nice little pub, hardly anybody there. There was a group of guys, brotherhood, military brotherhood, that's who they were. Yeah, so yeah, we went about crew there, and just a bit of a ride up from there, virtually straight across over to Albany Highway, and then heading straight back to Perth. So not much interest in that road, but it's just nice to bloody get a bit of speed up and that. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, and yeah, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll start getting a bit better as the time goes on, and yeah, keep it safe, eh guys? Till next time, ciao.